So this week's before and after is an ensuite bathroom. As I'm sure you're looking at it here, you're thinking it's not that bad. And it's not, but we did change it drastically, as you can see here. The client particularly wanted a wood and glass effect, which is what we gave her. The tiles obviously are all wood in the shower unit. We did a suspended vanity unit simply because we needed to make sure it looked bigger than it actually was, because the space was very, very restrictive. And in order to counteract the wooden tiles, we used these very large neutral tiles to go with it. The fixtures were all nickel. We decided that nickel was just much softer than the chrome, their versions of it. So that's what we went with. And I think all in all, it looks very, very well. Well, it looks a lot better than it did before.